Hi, this is Bruno from Bullion, Dallas downtown restaurant, and here we're gonna do another dish which is gonna be a French toast. It's gonna be really good with the strawberry, a touch of balsamic vinegar, and some brown sugar for caramelization. It's gonna be great. Okay, so we're gonna start with the strawberry with this French toast recipe. So we have whole strawberry. It's all the leftover bread that we do for French toast. So it can be a baguette, it can be sliced bread that you want to use. It can be used for French toast. It's French toast, we call it pain perdu in French, which means lost bread. It's all about the leftover and you don't want to waste anything. Got two slices of bread here, strawberry. You're gonna cut them to make a little garnish. So you don't want them too small because you want some bite to it. Like this. And 3 is perfect. You can do that with different type of berries, strawberry, blueberry. And I like the strawberry. They're gonna be in season very soon, and it's really tasty. So we can drizzle a little sugar, not too much, just a little bit. And you're gonna let them macerate, because when you do like this, the sugar extract the juice from the strawberry, so you can have more moisture and the flavor is better. What I do is I always put a little bit of lemon juice to accentuate the strawberry flavor. So you let them marinate like this in the fridge or outside. You keep them in the fridge if you want to use them in a couple of hours, it's fine. And my little touch, what I like to is like add a few drops of balsamic vinegar just to give a little hint of acidity. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper in there. Yes, it sounds strange, but it's really good with the strawberry, just a little bit. Two eggs, that's enough for 2 French toast. Whisk. Two tablespoons of sugar. So at home, if you have a vanilla extract or orange extract, or you can even use lemon zest in there if you want. Any type of flavoring that you liked, that can do with that mixture. So you mix pretty well, like this. You have a little bit of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything. And this is your base for your French toast. You can do that in advance as well. You can do that a day in advance. It's pretty easy actually to keep in the refrigerator, the same as the strawberry. I'm gonna cook those French toast. So I'm gonna add the temperature on this 12-inch, I would say, 12-inch sauté pan, non-stick. That will fit perfectly 2 slices of bread. So what you do, you let the pan go hot, not too hot. You're gonna put some butter in there, so you don't want like too hot. In the meantime, you're gonna soak your bread. So you let them in there like this for now. On one side, I'm gonna flip them over later before they go to the pan. Okay, so we're gonna finish the cooking of the French toast. The pan is hot. Two slices. You see how they soak the liquid. That's what you want all the liquid to go in the bread. Just a little piece of butter. You can do that with oil. But it's much better with a little piece of butter. You want to have it hot enough but not too hot to burn the bread. You see the butter turn a little bit of color, that's what you want. Take your French toast and you put it in the pan. Don't worry if it's a little soft, that's what you want. That's gonna make your French toast really moist. Do that like this. On one side, on the other side it's in the pan, you're gonna put this, a little bit of sugar like this on top. Like this, when you flip it over, you're gonna have a nice caramelization on the other side. It shouldn't take more than, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, no more than that. And then you don't have to, if you have the oven on, you can always put it in the oven with the pan. I know it's sometimes you don't feel like it, but those pans are designed to go in the oven as well, there's no problem. Especially when you have a thicker piece of bread, you might as well, sometimes when you flip it over, put it in the oven for like 2 or 4 minutes just to keep the temperature of the center even. You can see, so you start to color already. And I'm gonna flip them over. See? See this? Here we go. Almost ready. You can see that when the custard like mixture is cooked, the bread expands probably like 25%. That means that everything is pretty much ready to go. You see it's caramelized on the other side already. Yeah, both sides. It's very custard-like bread. That's what you want. Flip it over. Here we go. And this is, you don't even need a spatula. You just slide it in the plate. That's it. This, you finish with the strawberry. So again, you can use blueberry, raspberry. I like strawberry because they're in season. And the bigger, the sweeter they're gonna get, the more juicier and the more just put all over. That's, you have the balsamic vinegar a little bit in there. You got the sugar, a little bit of lemon zest, black pepper. Yep, here it is. French toast, strawberry and balsamic vinegar.